Here's a crazy stat. Someone visits your LinkedIn profile, they're interested enough to click on your face, read about you. And then what? You check the notification, think, oh cool, and move on. Meanwhile, that warm lead forgets you exist within 24 hours. I got tired of leaving money on the table. So I built an n8n workflow that automatically reaches out to every single profile visitor while you're still fresh in their mind. Let me show you exactly how it works. The logic is simple. Fetch everyone who visited your profile in the past 7 days. Check if you've already contacted them. No awkward duplicate messages. If they're already connected to you, send them a DM. If they're not connected, send a connection request with a personalized note. Log everything to Google Sheets so you know who you've reached out to. That's it. Every visitor gets a message while you're still top of mind. Let me break down the flow. First, we have a weekly schedule trigger. This kicks off the workflow automatically. You can change it to daily if you get a lot of traffic. Next, we hit the connectsafely.ai API to fetch all your profile visitors from the past 7 days. This returns their name, profile URL, connection degree, everything we need. We split that list into individual visitors and loop through each one. Now here's the important part. Before reaching out, we check Google Sheets. If they're already in there, we skip them. No one wants to get the same outreach twice. Then we check, are they a first-degree connection? If yes, we generate a personalized DM and send it directly. If no, we generate a connection request with a custom note. These code nodes randomly select from multiple message templates. So your outreach doesn't feel robotic. Each person gets a slightly different message. After sending, we log everything to Google Sheets, name, URL, status marked as done. This becomes your single source of truth. And we add a weight between messages. This keeps your activity patterns natural and keeps LinkedIn happy. Setting this up takes about 20 minutes. Here's what you need. An n8n instance, self-hosted or cloud. A connectsafely.ai account with your LinkedIn connected. A Google Sheet with 3 columns, name, LinkedIn URL, status. Import the workflow JSON, plug in your API key and sheet ID, customize the message templates with your product info, and you're good to go. I'll drop the full workflow JSON in the description. Just copy, import, and customize. This works for sales pros reaching decision makers, recruiters engaging passive candidates, founders connecting with investors or potential hires, consultants converting curious prospects into calls. If someone's looking at your profile, they're already interested. This workflow just closes the loop. Grab the workflow link below. If you want the full connectsafely.ai setup, I'll put that link there too. Drop a comment if you have questions or want me to break down any other n8n automations. See you in the next one.